Okay, let's just go through the explanation of using this system. Now we have three main rules for trading with this binary options trading system, the barbarian arrow indicator. Now the three main rules for trading the system is that for puts we want to see price on the red zone or the blue zone of this price channel. Now as you can see in this example here, we're having the price here on the red zone, and we had a popping up white arrow here on this candle, and the other rule is the moving average is crossover. For puts we want to see the pink the magenta average crossing below the yellow moving average. Now this rule has met, and the other one, which is price must be on the red zone or the blue zone. Now the third condition is arrow. Now the arrow has two cases when it pops up on the chart. The first case is the arrow will appear in the first 10 seconds, within the first 10 seconds of the candle open, and we want to take the trade on that candle. If this happens, if the arrow pops up within the first 10 seconds of the candle, we want to take the trade. The other another small additional rule is that I want to get the best strike rate for entering this trade, which means I want to take a closer strike rate to the opening price of the candle, which is here. I want to take trade like in here or here, you know, a very close strike rate to the opening price. So we won't get, but if the price jumps into here, I won't take the trade. I will wait and take. If not, if it doesn't happen, I will now wait for the next candle. Now in the other case of this for this arrow to pop up on your chart is it pops up very late on the candle, like 30 seconds passed from the candle open. Then I won't take the trade. Mainly if 10 seconds already passed from the candle open and the arrow pops up, I won't take the trade. I will wait for the next candle and enter the trade on the open of the price of the next candle. Those are the main three rules for trading with this system. This also applies for the calls. Let's just get another calls example here. Now you see the price has been moving down, so the price been going down, reached the red zone, and we have the magenta moving average crossed above the yellow moving average. Now we had the arrow here. Now if the arrows again, if the arrow has popped up in the first within this first 10 seconds of the candle and the price hadn't moved too much away from the opening price of the candle, I'm gonna take the trade on the current candle. And if the arrow popped up in the late after 10 seconds of the candle open passed, I want to wait for the next candle and to execute my trade right here, just right here. Now same applies here. See, the pink has crossed above this, but it's been late. We had the arrow here. This is another case. Arrow here, and the pink moving average crossed on this candle above the yellow the yellow moving average. I will consider this a good setup and take it on the next candle. See here. Same applies for this one. We had the arrow popping up where it is still on the blue zone. Pink moving average crossed above the yellow moving average. We take for this. This wasn't a good winner, in fact. Or something like this. Okay. Same applies here. Pink arrow crossed above the yellow. The pink, the magenta moving average crossed above the yellow moving average, and we had the popping up arrow. Now if this arrow popped up in the first 10 seconds, I will take the trade, and I will be looking also to have a good strike rate. If not, I will wait for the next candle. Same applies on all conditions. This is how to trade the system mainly. Now we go for extra explanation for some trades that some beginners, some newbies traders has been taking and telling me they are losing. Now you see this one here. The price is on the red zone. Now, when the price is on the upper red zone of the price channel or the blue zone, we're looking to have all the rules met for taking the trades with this system, and then go for puts only here. We won't take any call. And many people been taking calls on the upper red zone or the lower zone when the price is here. We will want to take only call options, but people been taking put options in onto here. And same here, they've been like someone the same mistake as this. He had the arrow here and all rules met. But I won't take the trade because the price is in an exhaustion area here for taking. So the price will be going down here on this zone. It won't go up. So don't take calls on the upper red zone or the blue zone. We take only puts. Same for here. If you can see this arrow here, the price is on the lower zone and we're looking to take only calls. We won't take any puts here like this arrow. We want to ignore such trades here. As also mentioned, trades here in the middle of the channel, I won't take them. I don't consider them. I take trades only on the higher probability trades, which are being on the red zone or the blue zone. Now, in the middle of the price, the channel price, it's on your own risk if you're going to do this. But through my side, I don't recommend this. I recommend taking on the red zone and the blue zone. That's all the trades that you have to be taken. But if you want to practice or demo trading, this is it's all up to you if you want to take these trades here in the middle of the channel. Another extra information about the system is that you know that we're in at the end of the year and the markets tend to be very volatile, very aggressive and have no direction and very fakey with fakey signals. Even if you go trade pure price action, the market will be faking you because this is the nature of the market during the last 2 or 3 months of the year. So if you're going to trade with the system during this time, especially now in December, just go. I highly recommend you to go and demo trade with this system before you just master how to use. Mainly the price, the market will become more stable in the last 2 weeks of January. So I recommend starting from that period of time, trading on a live account after you spend December and the first 2 weeks of January playing on a demo account and practicing to master the ins and the outs of the system. And the market will be more responding to the strategy and to the arrow after the market becomes more stable. Another extra information from me: if you are binary options trader and you already have an account, a binary options account, I highly recommend you to use this system with a tech financial platform based broker like Boss Capital, Options Click, 24 Options. This is your own homework. The other platform that is recommended with this system is the Panda ST platform that is being used by Porter Finance and City Option, I think. I'm using this system with spot option based spot option platform and the brokers that are using this platform, because this platform is very fakey and they have a trick when validating your trade, which they tend to make it always take up to 10 seconds to validate your trade, and there is a chance for them to close your trade loser in some cases when the price jumps spikes up or down. If you have purchased this system from eBay, please don't forget to go back and give your feedback, 5-star feedback any way you like. And thank you for purchasing this from us. And if you are already interested in trading Forex, we have another project coming in February about a scalping trader EA, which expert advisor that I'm putting in their test on a live account now for 2 months during December and January, and after the good results we will be using this, which is the Barbarian Auto Scalper Expert Advisor. If you are interested, just visit my website Barbarian Arrow Indicator .tk. Just go there and subscribe to our mailing list, so you will be updated once we launch our expert advisor.